Hey food ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Nigerian Moin-Moin using black eyed peas or beans. Okay, so I'm going to link a video in the end screen on how to make akara. There you will see how I took out the skin from these beans. Okay, so just to explain these steps, you start by soaking some beans or black eyed peas overnight. After soaking, wash the beans and remove as much of the skin as possible. This helps create that smooth, soft moi texture that we all love. Okay, so here instead of using water, I'm going in with some beef stock. So please, I'm not using salt because I'm using homemade beef stock which contains salt, and whenever you're using corned beef, do not add extra salt because corned beef contains salt. I like to blend some as is, and I'm going to blend the second batch with the other ingredients. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer this paste. So this is what you want, a smooth runny paste. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it into a large pot. You can use a large bowl, okay, but I'm going to use a pot to mix my moi batter. Okay, so with this next batch, I'm going to add the bell peppers, the onions, the seasoning, and all this good stuff. So I'm using half red onion and one white onion. I'm gonna go in with 3 red bell peppers, some habanero pepper, some more beef stock, 4 Maggi cubes, I'm gonna blend this, and there you go. So I'm gonna add this to the other one, and I will mix everything together thoroughly until everything is well combined. I'm gonna add some more habanero pepper because I like spicy moi moi. I'm gonna go in with some vegetable oil. So I think I use about 1 cup of vegetable oil for this recipe. Now I'm going to add the corned beef. Sorry, I didn't know the camera wasn't recording when I added the corned beef, but this is the corned beef. I already added it, so I used 1 full corned beef can. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys since I didn't know the camera wasn't recording. So that's the corned beef. So after you've added all your ingredients and you've thoroughly combined everything, so you're gonna spray the baking plates with some vegetable oil. This helps you when you're taking out the moi from the plate, it doesn't stick to the plates. So I'm going to scoop the raw moi batter into the grease plates, cover them and set them aside. So I'm going to repeat this process until all the batter is used up. I added 1 egg and 1 smoked mackerel. So I'm going to cover and I'm going to repeat the same process for all the plates until all the moi batter is used up. So you're going to cover it like so. So after packaging and everything. So I'm going to transfer this to the oven at 395 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes, or until your moi moi is firm and fully cooked. So on a very different topic, this is a message to all my regular viewers who are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe and join this amazing growing family. The more, the merrier. Thank you. And that's it, my ninjas. Your Nigerian baked moi-moi is ready. Soft, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with someone who loves Nigerian food. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.